Hello friends, we'll be reading about the 1st July and 2nd July Hindu news. So the first news is about the three criminal laws, which are like every police station and court have to migrate to this law from July 1. So Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita, which replaced IPC 1860, Bharatiya Nagarik Suraksha Sanhita, which replaced Code of Criminal Procedure, Bharatiya Sakshya Sanhita, which replaced Indian Evidence Act of 1872. So cognizable offences are now to be registered under 173 section of Bharatiya Nagarik Suraksha Sanhita, which are previously registered under the criminal code of criminal procedure. So what are the provision of these new laws? There is inclusion of sedition as a crime. There is inclusion of false promises to marry, mob lynching, attempt to suicide, gang rape of minor, and there is this criminal cases are to be judgment. The judgment for the criminal cases should be given in 45 days of completion of trial. Report can be lodged through electronic communication without the need to coming to police station. Zero affair. Then online registration of complaints, mandatory videography of scenes having heinous crimes. So then what is CCTNS? If the question comes, it is crime and criminal tracking network system, which is managed by NCRB, National Crime Record Bureau, through which FIRs are filed. Now we can file EFIRs. What is the need of these three laws? For speedy justice, for the welfare of citizens, for integration of technological upgradations, and for abolishment of colonial ages laws. Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita, in this new offences like attempt to suicide, false promise to marry, mob lynching, organized crime, sedition, then negligence, death due to negligence, damage to public property, fake news, these are included. Deleted, what are deleted from this law? Homosexuality as a crime, adultery, thugs, and gender neutrality is established. So what are the issues with this law? It has not recognized Burma committee recommendations like inclusion of gender neutral rape, like rape against transgenders, men, women, everything, and it has not recognized marital rape as an offense. Sakshi Act, in Sakshi Act there is this electronic record, EFIs, then joint trial of more than one person for the same crime. It has issues like there can be tampering of evidence during search, seizure, and investigation. It has also excluded Law Commission and Supreme Court ka recommendation. Like it has it has told that it is not police responsibility for any injury uh, caused to the person who is in custody. So this can lead to police abuse. Nagarik Suraksha Sanhita. This is mandatory use of electronic mode, security bond instead of arrest, community service. This Nagarik Suraksha has included all this thing. Then medical examination can be requested by any police officer. Forensic investigation for offence with more than or equal to 7 years imprisonment. Zero affairs. What are the issue is this Nagarik Suraksha Sanhita? It is the power to seize property expanded from movable to immovable property now. Restricting bail can congest the prison itself. Then the plea bargaining has been limited. The use of handcuffs has been allowed. So this can lead to much abuse by police. Now, one more thing that is very important for exam, this Naya Sanhita, though it's named in Sanskrit as the Chief Minister Stalin has told, it is named in Sanskrit. It can be violative of Article 348. He accused this, but it is available in all 22 languages that are present in the section Schedule 8 of Constitution. So, like in Konkani, in Bodo, in Manipuri, in Santali, in Maithili, in Nepali, in Punjabi, in Sanskrit, Kashmiri, Malayalam, Tamil, Odia, Bengali, Hindi, Gujarati, etc. So, what is Article 348? Article 348 tells that all proceedings of Supreme Court and High Court should be in English. So, secondly, we can see about this. This is a Pride month was going on. So, same-sex marriage is not allowed in India, but there are many unregistered cohabitations. But homosexuality is not a crime, as we have seen in this three new laws. Legal status is given to same status. Then RBI, along with Asian, is up to create platform for instant retail payment. Then India identified 641 fauna and 339 taxa of plants. What are they? Turmeric species, whose name was Cucurma cachingens. Cucurma cachingens. It is a turmeric species found in Manipur. Kaching is a region in Manipur. Bat species in Karnataka found, whose name was Minoterus rini. Minoterus rini, bent wing bat. Bat in Karnataka, the turmeric species, catching species in Manipur. Then Astacia venki, it is a flowering plant in Howrah, West Bengal. Then Capra himalayensis. Capra himalayensis, it is a ibex which is present in Kashmir, Ladakh and Himachal Pradesh. It is different from the Siberian ibex. Then meningoencephalitis. It is the like there is a amoeba, the brainetic amoeba, Naegleria fowleri. It affects the brain and meninges. So it is found in Kerala. It lives in fresh, warm water in lakes and river. It travels via the nose and travels to the brain and destroys the tissue, causing swelling. So it occurs due to rise in temperature as well as unhygienic and stagnant water. Then another news is supercapacitor have high capacitance and energy storage capacity. These are supercapacitors. So there is a source. These are the source of sustainable energy storage solutions, and the researchers have found that coconut husk can give activated carbon, which can power the supercapacitors. So in coastal areas there is abundance of such coconut husk, so it can help in the energy storage. Then NTA paper leak. We know that education is in concurrent list, not in state list or union list. So this NTA paper leak is a mockery on the education system. NEET is conducted in 11 languages. This leak is an institutional failure. So after that, Public Examination Act came, where there can be restoration of integrity of exam, computer based test, biometric registration, SOPs, center coordinator is present, and non-bailable provisions for cheating and use of any kind of fraudulent practices. This can lead to transparent exam system. Then there can be awareness among people, and the rigorous enforcement is needed. Then what is CDS? Currently, actually, General Dwivedi, Upendra Dwivedi, is appointed as 30th Chief of Army Staff. Chief of Army Staff and CDS are different. Chief of Army Staff, he is a lead man of the army, but CDS is a lead man of both army, navy and air force. He is a principal military advisor to government. He integrates 3 military units. He is a permanent chairman of Chief of Staff Committee. Then the second use is submarine. The Scorpion class submarine, Kalavari. It is a diesel electric. Diesel electric is Scorpion class, Kalavari. The Arihan series of submarine is ballistic. Then Seine River is present in Paris. So there is a project 76 by Indian Navy where it is trying to produce India's first indigenously invented conventional diesel electric submarine. कन्वेंशनल डीजल इलेक्ट्रिक सबमरीन को प्रोड्यूस करने के लिए इंडिजिनियसली इंडियन नेवी ने ये प्रोजेक्ट 76 प्लान किया है. कैलाबरी इज अ स्कॉर्पियन क्लास सबमरीन. अरिहंत इज अ बैलिस्टिक सबमरीन. देन कम्स ग्रेट इंडियन बस्टर्ड. ग्रेट इंडियन बस्टर्ड लेसर फ्लोरिकन कहाँ पे पाए जाते हैं? राजस्थान में. देन DBS ब्रेन इम्प्लांट फर्स्ट वर्ल्ड का ऐसा ब्रेन इम्प्लांट है जो एपिलेप्टिक सीजर्स को कम कर सकता है.